Hello, welcome to Retro for You. Today it's a very late video. It's basically nearly 10 PM at night here, but I thought I've got to try and get a video out for you guys. Anyway, so after this bit of news now, which I'm going to play now. Subs, mate, that's amazing. Can't believe it myself. Crazy times. It didn't seem long ago that I was waiting for 25 subscribers, then 50, and now I'm at 300. So let's keep those subs going and keep those numbers rising. A big thank you to all who have subscribed. Need a motivation to keep going and repairing things and modding consoles, etc. Anyhow, today it's been a strange day. I've been messing around with some new printing techniques I've been doing. 300 subs, so I thought I'd give a quick giveaway. It's only a small giveaway, but today I've been messing around with some printing on mugs and I made a Retro for You mug. So this will be given away to, basically, if you want this mug, all you got to do is hit the like button and comment down below. Whoever comments and likes on this video this week, the end of next week, I'll put all the names into a random generator, picker thingy magic program that scrolls through all the names and picks one at random, and whoever names that picks, as long as you like and you comment below, then you got a chance of winning this great cup, and I'll send it off to you next week, whoever wins it. So all you got to do is drop a like and a comment below, and this mug could be yours. It is a great mug. Anyway, today, as it's so late, I'm just going to do a quick video on the C64 again. It's time we started to hit this restore button and actually restore this machine. Like I say, tonight I'm just going to take the keys off, take the main board out and get everything ready to be washed, okay? So sit back, enjoy, listen to some music while we strip this thing down. So if you're new here, hit that like, share and notification button, which should be appeared here, and I shall see you after the short intro. See you soon, guys. So, like I said, it's late. We need to get this cleaned. It is rather dirty. And hit this restore button and get it restored. So, first we're going to remove the keyboard. You remove this LED and this keyboard connector. I'll put this to one side for a bit. And we'll turn this over. You need to remove these screws here to remove the keyboard. As you can see, this keyboard is quite grubby. So we're going to start by restoring all this. Right, to remove these keys, we have this, which is basically a key puller. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull all these keys, pop them into this pot here that I have, ready for cleaning. So let's get on to this, and obviously sit back, enjoy some music while I pull these keys off. Okay, so that's all the key tops removed. It actually takes longer than you think. All the springs are in there. These now all go to wash, and this will all be cleaned off. Unfortunately, two of these broke. Whatever you can see there. So it looks like we're going to have to take this apart another time to replace them. I guess we can 3D print these anyway. Like I say, so we'll 3D print two more of them and get them replaced. But this is now ready now to be cleaned off. We can just get a brush and brush that off later on. Okay. Next, I'm going to remove this main board. So again, listen to music while I take this out. Always one screw in there. Okay, so now this main board's out, I'm just throwing this, obviously the port cover to one side. We can now get this all retrobrated. So, especially this one here, you can see it's a bit of a funny brown colour, so we'll get all that retrobrated and cleaned up. The main board, let's say, I think we're going to actually recap, so I'll get all the caps ordered, we'll replace the caps. Still need to sort this SID out because it's got this replacement SID in it, but also remember the tape deck. If you look at these contacts here, well, you can see very well here in the video, they don't look too good. That's probably why it wasn't working very well. So we'll get onto that anyway in the next video. So, like I said, it's going to be a quick video. It's very late at night. I can't do any more with this at the moment anyway. So, basically, next video will be putting this back together after it's all been washed. And we'll be recapping this main board. Or maybe just recapping the main board, then rebuilding the C64. But I want to get this restored, fully tested, fully working, as it should be. And be my pride and joy. Okay, so thanks for watching, and sorry it's only been a short video, but hopefully you're going to like I said, and you're going to comment below for your chance to win this. So like I say, next week it's going to be drawn for somebody who's commented and liked. So I will see you next week on Retro for You. Thanks a lot. See you guys. Bye.